topic today? Positional words. What is our topic today? Okay, students, what is the meaning of on? What is the meaning of on? And what is the meaning of in? In, out, out. And what is the meaning of near? Near, far, far, far.
I am a girl. My name is Michelle. I read in prep. Rose. Apples are in the basket. Basket में है.
What is the meaning of in? Very good.
I am a girl. My name is Fatima. I read in prep.
What is meaning of near?